expecting a payment? Here's how to receive money with Wise. Fast and easy. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen at the left side, you can see the option Payment Request. Tap on it. Here you can request a payment from anyone you are expecting a payment. If someone is sending money to your Wise account, share your Wise account details with them. You can find these under the account details section. If you are receiving money from a non-Wise account, Wise will notify you once the transfer is processed. Just sit tight while the money arrives. You can check the status under the Activity tab. Once received, you can hold, convert, or withdraw it to your bank. If the payment is delayed, check your account details and confirm with the sender. Ever had issues receiving money on Wise? Let us know in the comments. And that's it. Your money is now in your Wise account. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.